Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to play PUBG Mobile on PC with GameLoop. To begin, you'll need to download the official GameLoop emulator. This is the only authorized way to enjoy PUBG Mobile on your computer, ensuring fair play and optimal performance. Head over to the GameLoop website and locate the download button. The file size is typically around 10 megabytes, so it should download quite quickly. Once downloaded, we can move on to the installation process, which is straightforward and user-friendly. Once the GameLoop installer is downloaded, run it and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The process usually takes just a few moments. After GameLoop is installed and launched, it will often immediately recommend downloading and installing PUBG Mobile. Simply click to proceed, and the emulator will handle the game's download and installation automatically. This ensures you get the correct and optimized version of the game for the emulator, preparing you for your first match. With PUBG Mobile installed, it's time to fine-tune your settings for the best experience. Access GameLoop's engine settings to choose between DirectX Plus or OpenGL Plus based on your graphics card, and allocate memory and processor cores. For optimal performance, consider setting your resolution to 1080 pixels and your frame rate to 90 or even 120 frames per second if your monitor supports it. Next, customize your keyboard and mouse controls within the game to match your preferred playstyle, ensuring precise aiming and movement. To ensure the smoothest gameplay, consider a few advanced tips. Disable Windows Game Mode, as it can sometimes interfere with emulator performance, and instead enable a high-performance power plan in your Windows settings. Restarting the emulator every couple of hours can also help refresh its memory usage, keeping things running smoothly. For competitive play, even with a powerful PC, setting in-game graphics to smooth and prioritizing higher frame rates, like 90 or 120 frames per second, will give you a significant advantage in responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.